Sarah has spent most of her life in Plymouth and had the accent to match, until recently.
So, fish and chips. Chips. I said that right?
Yeah.
3.5 years ago, she was rushed into hospital with a migraine, which left her with a voice she didn't recognise.
I have not actually heard my voice in a conversation for nearly 3 years now.
Her initial response upon hearing how she used to sound from a bank telephone recording
Good afternoon, thank you for calling.
was to long for her old accent to return.
Yeah, I'm not actually ringing about my policy though. I'm ringing for a quote. Do you still want my policy number?
I know it's me, but I feel like I want to say, oh, she make a good speak. She speak a good, but like that, not me no more.
There's one picture you can see all the butts.
Sarah has been diagnosed with foreign accent syndrome. The condition has only 150 known cases worldwide.
Although it's called foreign accent syndrome, it's literally a speech impediment. There's nothing foreign about it. Obviously I don't have a Chinese accent. I've never been to China. You'd have to spend a considerable amount of time in China to pick up the accent. So it's impossible.
Deep mud, tough nut, night bus.
Although she doesn't know why this has happened, months of speech therapy with specialist Martin Duckworth at Marjohn's in Plymouth have provided some insights.
I actually feel quite comfortable with my speech now.
We can't give you any definitive answers about exactly what's happening, which is why we're following Sarah's journey. But some small changes happened within her brain, and they've had an impact on the way she organises her speech output.
I'm done. I'm finished.
Despite finding no answers or cure, Sarah has learned how to live with her new voice.
It took a long time to actually accept that I was the problem for me. I was the one making me feel bad.